In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pop-up warning message in just 5 minutes. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential for making your data presentations more interactive and informative, especially when you want to draw attention to critical information. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Tableau application, which is a powerful tool for data visualization. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you do. Once the application is open, you'll be greeted with the homepage where you can start a new project. Next, it's time to load your data. You can connect Tableau to various data sources, be it Excel, SQL databases, or any other compatible sources you might be working with. Simply navigate through the Connect pane on the left, select your data source, and then import the data you wish to analyze or visualize. Ensure your data is correctly formatted and clean, as this will ensure smooth execution as we progress through the steps. Now, with your data set loaded, the next step is to create a calculated field. This is a crucial component because it allows you to generate a new data field that can be used to flag certain metrics or anomalies that should trigger your warning message. You can start by clicking on the drop-down menu from the data pane on the right-hand side, which provides you with the option to create a calculated field. Click on it and a new window will appear where you can enter your custom calculation. At this stage, you will type in the formula that will define the conditions under which the warning message should pop up. The formula is the backbone of your pop-up. It essentially dictates when and why the warning should appear based on your data conditions. If you're unfamiliar with writing formulas in Tableau, don't worry. They're quite similar to formulas you'd write in Excel. For instance, you might want your formula to pop up a warning if sales drop below a specific threshold, or if certain KPIs are not met. Once your formula is set, you can close the window, which will automatically save your changes. Your calculated field is now ready to be used within the visualization. You can add this field to your worksheet by simply dragging it onto the canvas. This is where the magic happens, as it will now interact with your visualization, ensuring that any data point meeting the conditions of your formula will trigger the pop-up warning. Remember, the goal here is to streamline the communication of critical data insights with your audience. With this setup, your dashboards become more dynamic and capable of drawing immediate attention to potential issues or highlights within your data. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to set up a pop-up warning message in Tableau. I hope this guide helps you enhance your data visualizations and adds a new layer of interactivity to your work. Thank you for watching, and happy data exploring.